Hey guys, this is Jeff from GoPro Do It. Today I'm working on my E30 325i. Got an issue with the slave clutch cylinder, and that's a new one, the OEM. I'm gonna replace it. The problem is I've got leaking, so every time I press the clutch it leaks from inside, so most probably this is damaged, this is worn out inside. So I'm swapping this one, and I got the brake fluid to top up the oil and fix that issue. That's the old cylinder. It has two 13mm nuts. I managed to loosen the first one on the top. That's it. So obviously the cylinder is worn out. I'm gonna change it now. That's it. I'm gonna install the nuts. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the bleeding process. So down under, I opened the bleeding valve on the slave cylinder. That's the maximum level. I'm gonna fill it now and do the bleeding. So the vent is open now. I'll jump in and push the clutch many times until I get all the air out at this point. So basically guys, you would need two people to do this job. You would need a hand, someone with you, to press the clutch pedal multiple times and then hold it. You top up the oil and you go down and do the bleeding. Okay, so this is now working. Fifth gear. That's the reverse. So I'm gonna give it a try. Turn the engine on and check the car. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching this video.